Since the first offshore wind farm commissioned in 1991 in Denmark, scientists and engineers have adapted and improved the technology of wind energy to offshore conditions. This is a rapidly evolving field, with the installation of increasingly larger wind turbines in deeper waters. At sea, the challenges are indeed numerous, with combined wind and wave loads, reduced accessibility and uncertain soil conditions. My name is Axel Viré. I'm an assistant professor in wind energy at TU Delft and specialize in offshore wind energy. This course will touch upon the critical aspect of wind energy: how to integrate the various engineering disciplines involved in offshore wind energy. Each week we will focus on a particular discipline and use it to design and operate a wind farm. For example, we'll look at how to characterize the wind and wave conditions at a given location, how to best place the wind turbines in a farm, and also how to retrieve the electricity back to shore. We'll look at the main design drivers for offshore wind turbines and their components. We'll see how these aspects influence one another and the best choices to reduce the cost of energy.
This course is organized by the TU Delft Wind Energy Institute, an interfaculty research organization focusing specifically on wind energy. You will therefore benefit from the expertise of the lecturers in 3 different faculties of the university: aerospace engineering, civil engineering, and electrical engineering. Hi, my name is Ricardo Pereira. I'm a researcher and lecturer at the Wind Energy and Aerodynamics department, and I will be your e-moderator throughout this course. That means I will answer any questions you may have, I'll strengthen the interactions between the participants, and also I'll get you in touch with the lecturers when needed.
The course is mainly developed for professionals in the field of offshore wind energy who want to broaden their knowledge of the relevant technical disciplines and their integration. Professionals with a scientific background who are new to the field of offshore wind energy will benefit from a high-level insight into the engineering aspects of wind energy. Overall, the course will help you make the right choices during the development and operation of offshore wind farms. Design wind turbines that better withstand wind, wave and current loads. Identify grid integration strategies for offshore wind turbines. And gain understanding of the operation and maintenance of offshore wind turbines and farms. We also hope that you will benefit from the course and from interaction with other learners who share your interest in wind energy, and therefore we look forward to meeting you online.